Hey guys. Hey guys. So this was actually supposed to be the first fan I was going to try in the kitchen in my kitchen swap. Ironically, because it's the original fan from the condo living room that I had planned to put back up but never got a chance. And it's my all-time most sought-after childhood fan, at least until I found it. Now there's other fans that top the priority list because I haven't found them yet, or you know, etc. But if I had 0 fans and I was looking for one, this was the top of the list. This finish, once I found out that they came with the stencil option, then definitely the stencil option. Yeah, this is the same one from the living room, and it's the later version with the round tag. And the blades did not come with it. I swapped them from another one. Don't think the switch cap came from it with it either. I think that was borrowed from another one. You get the idea. And it's not, of the brown and brass motors that I have, it's not in the best shape, which was kind of deliberate when I hung it in the condo living room. I wanted a little bit of a beater. You can see there's some little pitting and spots and stuff like that. But it also had a new flywheel at the time and new bearings, and did not have the problematic mount where it mounts at the ceiling. So it's probably the best runner that I have, and probably middle cosmetic condition. So I left the variable speed control in circuit, but left the new tone control. So we'll probably just use the new tone control. I was thinking of bypassing the variable speed, but it doesn't seem to make a difference. It still works fine. So here's low. And it's I've always said that Terras work great on new tone controls. Because back when I had a Terra in my bedroom, when I lived in Virginia, that's what I used, a new tone wall control. Well, that one actually went a little slower on low. That was a 5, 10, 15 too, though. So, you just never know. Medium low. This is probably the speed it'll be on most of the time, either low or medium low. Let's see how fast this medium low speed is. It's a little faster than I'd like for a 24/7 speed, so we will see. Maybe it'll just chill on low most of the time. Is that low? Yes. Medium high. And high. Is that the blade irons rattling? That's what it sounds like. Don't remember how I used to fix that. One time I put a little piece of fabric in there. I mean, in this case, it'll almost never get run on high anyway, so it's not really that much of an issue. But, let's see what I can do, because that's going to bother me. Trying to figure out where I can sit the camera. Because I have a camera stand close by, but that still seems like more work to find the camera stand than just to prop the camera somewhere until I figure out what's happening next. So we're going to prop it over here. Is that good? Good enough. It's not ideal, but I wonder if we can just tighten those screws down and that'll make enough of a difference. Just water? Oh, because I was using a wet paper towel. That's tight. That's tight. That's tight. So what we need is rubber washers. Okay, I need to dry this floor. I wonder if I have any fans that can help with that. Okay. I don't think that made much of a difference, so we're gonna go turn on medium low or medium high while I'm waiting and see if it'll dry that floor. That was my fault. I used a wet wash rag and then hung it on the step stool. Let's see, I gotta have some rubber washers out here somewhere. There might be something in here, but we're not gonna worry about this yet. Obviously I need to clean up my workbench, but I'll get to it sooner or later. It feels like a fan's on over here. Okay, I'd been looking for some of those earlier, but that's not what I need now. We'll use this if we don't have anything else. There's a song in my head right now by Prince called The Ballad of Dorothy Parker. Those might work. You should have left. Boom, boom. Neither of those are what I was looking for, but we'll see. Still would have been easier for me to go get my stand, but oh well. Okay, well, there we go. You guys remember when this used to be the shop? Just have the camera propped all kinds of places. I didn't have a stand. Now I've gotten so high tech, I not only have that didn't do much. I wonder if I needed to tighten down the screws and do that, because it seems like only one of the blades is even remotely tight, and maybe it's the one I tightened down. This must be the one I tightened down. This one seems super tight. If I was really serious about this, I would take these screws out. I would get some flat washers, some lock washers, and some rubber washers. And I would put them on all sides. Do the head of screw. Oh, this one's super loose. first things first, let's just see. I feel like I'm gonna slip and fall on this floor. Oops. Oh well, I'll pick it up. And at least now, it's really tight, trying to get it in there. This one's... Oh, okay. I don't know if that's going to help. I need 2 for that one. Did it throw any of them? Yep. I can't see where it went though. Oh, there it is. Okay, so one is too skinny, 2 doesn't fit. That one's got one, that one's got one, that one's got one. This is the only problem one left. Let's see if that's enough. Yep. Okay. Perfect. Well, no, so I was going to leave it and let it dry the floor. Okay. Longer video than I intended. Thanks for watching.